Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to make videos into pictures. You will need a computer, your video clips, a video editing program, and the music of your choice. The first step is to open up your video editing program. Now import your video clips and music into the library. Next, drag the first video clip into the timeline. Find the part of the video that you want to take a picture of, and click on the Take Snapshot icon. Replace the video clip in your timeline with the next video clip. Continue to do this with each of your video clips until you have a picture of each one. Now delete all the video clips from the library and import all the pictures. Move all the pictures into your timeline, order them as you wish, and now add the songs to the timeline. Feel free to add intro and outro titles if you wish. And then save and render and you're ready to share. And that is how to make videos into pictures.